In this video, we're going to create an amazing and high-quality AI film, just like a real monetized movie. This isn't like those copy-paste AI videos you see on YouTube that get demonetized. YouTube's new policy only affects channels that repeatedly upload the same AI videos or steal content. But if you create your own original content using AI, your channel stays monetized, and it's 100% free. I've used some brand new AI tools in this tutorial that can help you make professional videos easily. I'll show you step by step how to use each website and tool I used so you can start creating your own fully AI-generated videos in a super simple way. So make sure to watch the full video. Don't miss any part. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. I regularly share new methods and tools to help you grow with AI. Asterisk. First, open ChatGPT and type the following prompt. I want to create a film featuring a giant dinosaur, something like what Pixar or DreamWorks might create. Don't worry, I'll give you this exact prompt below so you can easily copy it into your YouTube description. Once you've entered the prompt, click Send. ChatGPT will then generate a powerful and creative story for you. Now it's totally up to you. You can keep the story short for a quick animated video, or make it longer if you want to create a full film. After that, you'll want to get image prompts to turn the story into visuals. I'll explain exactly how to get those next. Once your story is ready, the next step is to generate image prompts. To do this, simply type the following into ChatGPT. Give me the best 10 image prompts based on this story. Make sure to include a dinosaur in every scene. Then hit Send. ChatGPT will instantly give you high-quality image prompts, each one carefully designed to match your story, with a dinosaur included in every scene. These prompts are extremely useful. The next image should look just like a real movie scene. For that, the best website is Pixlumen. After opening Pixlumen, set the size to 16:9. Then, just copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it there. After a few seconds, it starts generating the image. And trust me, it makes amazing visuals. Just keep copying and pasting the prompts and images will keep coming. Now the question is, why am I using the Pixlumen website to make an AI film? The reason is, if you're looking to create ultra-realistic and cinematic AI images for free, Pixlumen is the perfect tool for you. It generates high-quality film-style visuals that look like scenes from a real movie. Whether you want dramatic lighting, powerful characters, or stunning landscapes, Pixlumen delivers incredible results, all without needing professional design skills. After that, go to History, and boom! Your awesome monetized image is ready. Our next, we're going to create AI videos and even add monetized AI voiceovers to make it complete. Let's move to the next step and take this project to the next level. For voice generation, we'll use TTS by OpenAI. It's a really awesome website. Out of all the voices, the best one is Tom. I personally use it a lot. All you have to do is select the Tom voice, paste the prompt of your film or scene, then click on Create Speech. After that, go to History and your professional, high-quality monetized voice will be ready. You can listen to it, download it, and use it directly in your AI video. It sounds supernatural.
In the year 2030,
next step is very important. Now, how can we make a short film, like a 5-minute video, for free? For that, we'll use 3 websites. The first website is called sand.ai. It's a really good platform that creates HD quality AI videos. Now, here's what you need to do. Click on New Project, then click on Upload. Upload the image, the first image you already made. Then go to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt of that image and paste it into sand.ai. After that, you can choose how long you want the video. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, whatever you like. Sand.ai gives you 200 free credits, which means you can make 8 to 9 nice videos with that. Now click on CPOI prompt from ChatGPT and PassStep, then click on Generate, and your video will start creating. asterisk. The next website is diggin.ai, also known as diggin.ai. And honestly, it's an amazing platform. When you log in for the first time, it gives you 300 free credits, which is enough to create around 10 videos. After that, it keeps giving you daily credits as well. Now just look at my account. I have more than 2,800 plus credits. You might be wondering how? Well, I didn't even use 8 to 10 of my emails. I just stayed logged in regularly, and the credits kept adding up. Now with these 2,800 plus credits, I can make around 90 videos easily. So if you use it smartly, you can keep creating AI videos for free, daily, without any issue. Asterisk, asterisk. Now I'll click on Create and upload an image. The image I'm uploading now, that's the second image. I'll copy its prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Then I'll click on Generate and the video will start creating. Next, I'll upload another image, copy its prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, and again click on Generate. Just like that, more and more videos will keep getting created. So using this method, you can make a lot of AI videos here easily. Asterisk, asterisk. Next website is Pixverse AI. The first time you use it, you get 60 free credits, and after that, it gives some daily credits as well. Plus, it's super fast. That's what makes it even better. Now I'll click here, upload an image, paste the prompt, and the video will start generating automatically. In this way, you can easily make AI videos using Pixverse too. Just look at how amazing this video turned out. Now, in the next step, I'll show you how to add a watermark and handle everything from start to finish. Asterisk, asterisk. And just like that, you can create AI videos for free by using these three websites together: sand.ai, DID, diggin.ai, and Pixverse AI. If you combine all three, you can make amazing daily videos, high quality and fast. Each website gives free credits on just one email. So here's a smart trick. Use all three websites together on the same day, and you'll have enough credits to make a complete AI video without spending anything. So daily use sand.ai for scenes, diggin.ai for tea, and Pixverse for cinematic clips, and boom, your AI film is ready. Asterisk, asterisk, final step, video editing and watermark setting. Now open CapCut, which is a great tool for editing AI videos. Once it's open, import all your video clips and start adjusting them one by one. Set the timing, trim the parts, and arrange your scenes properly. CapCut is perfect for this. Very easy and smooth. After your clips are set, add your audio, voiceover, or background music as needed. You can also adjust the speed, volume, and sync everything together. Next, go to the text section to add your watermark. Write your channel name or brand name and place it where you want. Then go to the animation and effects sections to give your video a professional look. Once all is done, export your final video and it's ready to upload. Thanks for liking my video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Next time, I'll bring another method.